Doing push-ups is one of the best bodyweight exercises you can do to build upper body strength. As a classic calisthenics move, push-ups work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core when done with proper form. I decided to take on the 30-day push-up challenge to see just how much I could transform my physique with this simple exercise. Keep up listening to find out what happened when I committed to doing push-ups every single day for a month. The 30-day journey begins. I'll admit, I was skeptical that just doing push-ups could lead to much change in my body. But I was determined to give it a real shot and do push-ups as consistently as possible for 30 days straight. On the first day, I did 3 sets of 15 push-ups, which felt manageable. But I knew I would have to increase the volume to make progress. The hardest part was reminding myself to drop down and do them every day, especially on busy or tired days. But I was strict about carving out time for my new daily habit. Soreness and gains in the first week. After just a few days, I definitely noticed some muscle soreness setting in. My chest, shoulders and triceps were feeling fatigued, especially on day 3. I pushed through the discomfort and kept increasing my reps. By the end of the first week, I was pumped to notice my endurance improving. On day 7, I cranked out 100 push-ups total over 5 sets. I could already detect subtle differences in my upper body definition. Seeing early results motivated me to keep pushing. My routine evolves in week 2. In the second week, I progressed to more challenging push-up variations to maximize results. I mixed in incline push-ups on a bench targeting my upper chest, decline push-ups working the lower chest, and staggered hands to hit my arms from new angles. Doing the same exercise every day could get boring fast. So changing it up kept me excited about my new daily habit. I was also moving through the sets with better cardio fitness. Noticing big differences in weeks 3 and 4. By the halfway mark, the daily push-ups were definitely getting easier. I was able to double the reps I did on day 1 and my chest and arms were looking more defined. I couldn't help but admire my new arm muscles in the mirror. The results were clear. In the final 2 weeks, I felt unstoppable cranking out sets of push-ups. My core was also stronger from holding a straight plank position on each representative. I couldn't wait to get down on the ground every day and pump out my push-ups. The final results at 30 days. After a month of consecutive days doing push-ups, I was thrilled with my results. My chest, shoulders and triceps were far more defined and I could see the outline of new muscle. My arm muscles felt rock solid flexing in the mirror. But what impressed me most was the willpower I'd built through this challenge. I proved to myself that I could stick to a daily habit and persevere even on days I didn't feel like working out. What I learned. Committing to 30 days of push-ups taught me a lot about exercise consistency, progressive overload and willpower. I learned that you can make impressive gains through simple bodyweight exercises if you put in the work. It's all about the compound effect of daily practice. I also was reminded how important it is to keep changing up your routine for maximum results. Varying my grip, angle and volume kept my muscles responding. This challenge wasn't easy, but it proved that anyone can get stronger one representative at a time. Just keep showing up every day and pushing your limits. Try this at home. If you want to sculpt a more defined chest and arms, I highly recommend committing to 30 days of daily push-ups. Don't let the simplicity fool you, they are an incredibly effective strength exercise. Be sure to progress the volume and variations over time. Let me know in the comments if you try the 30-day push-up challenge. I'd love to hear your results. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more at-home workout tips and advice. Let's get strong together.